Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech.
Today, I've got a quick and easy guide for you on adding that extra touch to your Instagram profile highlight covers. Whether you're a seasoned Insta pro or just starting out, this simple customization can make a big difference. So, let's dive into how you can add those eye-catching highlight covers to your Instagram profile. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access highlights. Below your bio, you'll find a section called Highlights where your previously saved stories are displayed. If you haven't created any highlights yet, you can do so by tapping the plus icon next to this section. Step 4. Choose or create a highlight. Select an existing highlight or create a new one by tapping the plus icon. If you're creating a new highlight, choose the stories you want to include. Step 5. Edit your highlight. After selecting or creating a highlight, tap on Edit Cover at the bottom. Step 6. Choose or upload a cover photo. You can choose from the suggested covers based on the stories in your highlight or upload a new cover photo from your gallery. Step 7. Position and resize. Adjust the position and size of the cover photo within the circle to ensure it looks how you want it to. Step 8. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with the cover, tap Done or Save. Step 9. Add a title. Optional. You have the option to add a title to your highlight. This title will be visible on your profile. Tap Add a Title and enter the desired text. Step 10. Complete the process. Tap Add or Done to complete the process. Your highlight cover is now updated. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. Adding highlight covers to your Instagram profile is a breeze, and it's a great way to showcase your style. Don't forget to get creative with those covers and make your profile stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Until next time, happy highlighting.